Hi, guys! Want to create a professional landing page that helps lawyers generate more client inquiries? In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple lawyer landing page in Sisteme.io step by step. Step 1. Log into your Sisteme.io account. Click Funnels and then Create. Name your funnel Law Firm Landing Page. Choose Build an Audience and click Create. Open the opt-in page and click Edit Page. Step 2. Choose a clean and professional landing page template. Replace the headline with something like, "Speak with an experienced lawyer today," or "Professional legal guidance you can trust." Add a short description explaining the legal services you provide and the types of clients you help. Step 3. Now customize your landing page. Add your law firm logo, a professional photo of the lawyer or legal team, an About Us section, your practice areas such as family law, criminal defense, personal injury, real estate law, business law, immigration law, client testimonials, only if you have permission to use them, a consultation request form asking for name, email, phone number, brief description of the legal matter, a button that says Request a Consultation or Book a Legal Consultation. Step 4. Next, edit the thank you page. Thank visitors for submitting their inquiry. Explain when they can expect a response from your office. You can also include your office address, business hours, and phone number for urgent inquiries. Step 5. Preview your landing page on both desktop and mobile devices. And that's it. You've created a professional landing page for lawyers in Sisteme.io. If you'd like to build landing pages, websites, sales funnels, and automate your business, check out my Sisteme.io affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more practical Sisteme.io tutorials.